welcome back to my channel. This is the 20th vlog in the series of the build of my model and scale train track. If you want to follow me in the whole process of building this table, please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for further videos. So welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna install a backdrop in that area. So that whole corner will be positioned. I'm not gonna put the backdrop directly on the wall and on the wallpaper. I'm gonna use a MDF 6mm plate to glue the backdrop on. But first we have to measure it, and what I did, I used a specific type of backdrop. So this is the backdrop size. It comes in 3 sections which you can glue on any background, or if you want you can put it with double-sided tape, but the best thing of course is glue it on either a MDF board or any other board. So I did some measurements on it, and the problem is I need to make some changes there, at least for the plate to fit. So this is the area which will be having that backdrop, but I have a corner there over there, so if I'm gonna slide it, you see that it's a little bit too high, so I'm gonna cut one side of that corner off, and I of course need to cut it to length. So the backdrop itself is 65 centimeters. The board which I'm gonna use is 61 centimeters. And what I did, I thought, okay, what if I'm gonna put this one over there? But so you can see here there is a tunnel of a bridge where cars can go under, or a tunnel. So I need to have something which looks like the road is traveling there. So this backdrop comes in 3 pieces, and those are hills with a lot with forest. This here is grain field, and then in the back you have some mountains. And this one has a house in front. So I thought, you know what, if I'm going to use this one, then I can put it in the back. So let me show you how it looks like. So that the total height is 61, which matches the MDF. But if I'm going to put it here, so with this house just beside the bridge, it looks like this underpassing goes through here. This is not a road, but it looks to be, so I can make a change here. So of course I need to make a measurement where this piece needs to be put on that board. So I need to measure the length. I don't need to measure the height because I already know that, but I also need to cut out that corner as mentioned. So let me measure this, because this is the right size. So this would be 103 centimeters, where this edge, this edge here, is on that MDF plate. So it will be 10 centimeters looking from here, from the side over there. So I need to cut that off from the other backdrop and put it on. But first let me make the MDF backsiding, because I need to know the height, where it ends. So looking at this would be 13 centimeters. So 13 centimeters here, that's where we need to cut it. And then of course we need to cut it diagonal. And we need to know the height. Measure that. That would be 51. So this height is 51. So let me cut that piece up and then we will continue. Let me fit this one. Well, that fits nicely. So that's that. So let's fit it now. Fits nicely. Those are the boards to which the backdrop is glued. So let's start gluing. This wallpaper glue is pink, but it will dry transparent. So now that I have glued the backdrop to the MDF board, I also glued some wallpaper, as you can see, on the back of the backdrop, actually on the back of the MDF, just to avoid that the MDF gets too curved, because if you make it wet, it will slightly curve, and you don't want to do that. So now we're going to put the MDF at its location, and we're going to use Velcro to attach it to the wall so that it can be easily removed and fastened back. So let's do that. Should be it. For that section, the bottom one, I'm not gonna put some Velcro on the wallpaper. I'm gonna cut this and put it just on the MDF. So this is the result, and I think it looks pretty good. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for further videos. And I will see you in the next video.